So this is my miter chop saw. It's on the ground. So let's build a base for it. And boom, here's my miter saw stand. It is level to my table. And so I can use the table as like the extra arms for it. And I can just put this away whenever I'm done. I'm using these adjustable leveling guides, so I don't need perfect cutting measurements. I can just roughly cut it and then level it up later. And also, I'm not using wheels because my garage is too small. There's nowhere for me to wheel everything to. Alright, let's start get building. My table is 30 inches tall, so to figure out how long to cut the legs, I have to subtract the miter saw height, the 2x4 height, the plywood height, and then the feet height. So I'm cutting at 21 inches. My miter saw is 16 inches wide, so I'm cutting at 18 inches to give it 2 inches of wiggle room. And then I'm using pocket holes because I have pocket holes, so why not use it? One tip for screwing the pocket holes, you can just clamp it down so then it won't go anywhere. So now I have the two frames built, so I'm just testing it out, put the miter saw on for a test run. And then I grabbed this random piece of 1x4 that's been rotting my garage for years, and I cut it at 20 inches to make the side. And then I just use some outdoor screws to screw the 1x4 onto the frame. I use 3 screws per leg so then it doesn't wiggle. And now I'm cutting out the plywood. Oh wow, perfect fit. Screwing the plywood in, you can also just use nails. Now it's time to put on the feet. So you first drill a small pilot hole, then you drill a bigger pilot hole, and then you put on the stud, and then you screw on the feet. If the feet doesn't fall down. And ta-da! 1 foot done, and now let's do it 3 more times. And now it's the tedious part of trial and error. It's not very leveled, so I have to flip the whole thing over, loosen the feet up a little bit, and then try again. This only took me around 5 minutes. It wasn't very long to get it leveled. And boom! Now all I need to do is find some washers and screw the miter saw to the plywood, and then this is a done project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fun, exciting projects.